Hey guys, it's KJ, your study babe, and today I'm going to go over what you need to pack for college. Alright, so I'm going to start off with bedroom decor. Get your pillows, your blankets, your comforter, your sheets, and I'd recommend a second pair so when you're washing one, you still have the other one to put on. The only difference is beds in college are usually a twin XL size, so if you're on campus like me, make sure you order your stuff twin XL, not twin, not full, twin XL. And if you're off campus, it might be a little different. You might have a full-size bed, so just really pay attention to the size of the sheets you're getting. So to keep all your extra stuff, just get under bed storage. It's really worth it, especially if you have your bed kind of lofted, not like all the way up like a bunk bed, but not on the ground. It's the perfect amount of space to keep extra shoes or clothes or whatever you really need. Because the rooms are about the size of a walk-in closet.
So the closets are about the size of a shoebox.
So get under bed storage to keep all your stuff in there. Oh yeah, and that's another thing. If you're buying stuff online, just get it directly shipped to your dorm instead of getting it delivered to home. Because then you're gonna have to pack it up, you're gonna have to carry it through the airport, spend extra money on shipping it when you could just get it directly shipped to your dorm. Okay, so another thing we all need is toiletries. Remember, whatever you have at your home bathroom, you should have in your bathroom at school. Now, depending if you're on campus, like me, you need a shower caddy, versus if you have a shower in a suite or in your own apartment, that's awesome, good for you. Just keep all your stuff in one place. By stuff, I mean shampoo, conditioner, body soap, or for guys, that's one thing since you guys have a 3-in-1. Do you see this hair? I can't use one product to do my hair and my body. Like, guys, I'm not sure what you use to do your hair, but make sure you pack up that gel or your brush, whatever you guys do to your hair. Ladies, remember everything that you use for your hair. I know for me, my whole suitcase is my hair supplies. You might want to bring a hair dryer. Guys and girls, we all need to shave, so get your razors, get shaving cream, the works. And this is not only for ladies, men. This is not only for ladies. Invest in this and this. So use it to have well manicured nails. Okay, so if you're sharing a bathroom or a suite, make sure to invest in air freshener and to invest in all the cleaning supplies that you would need for a bathroom. You should probably talk to your roommates or suitemates about it beforehand to make sure you guys have everything you need to clean the bathroom. You should take rotations, take shifts. I'll make another video on how to deal with suitemates and roommates, but just make sure you have the supplies there because it gets nasty. Accidents happen all the time, so make sure you have a first aid kit on you. I have this one. It's actually a little too industrial. If you have a smaller one, that's cool too. This one's OSHA standard. Okay, let's see what's in here. If you want to make an at-home one instead of spending money on something like this. This is gauze, towelettes, you got your bandages, tweezer, stuff for fires. And just like accidents happen, sickness happens so often. It's literally impossible to not get sick during the school year. Like, I've gotten at least sick 8 times during the school year. Like, it's a virus. Once one person is sick, everybody gets sick. Make sure you have Lysol on you. Like my roommate, achoo, she sneezes. Spreads all over my room. I'm just like, okay, maybe not with this, because this is Pledge multi-surface. But if you have Lysol, that'd be really good. And you want to get medicine beforehand. You don't want to buy it when you're already sniffling and just gross and just feel like you got hit by a bus. No, get it beforehand so that when you do need it, you have it. It's preventative health care. Now I'm gonna dive into stuff you don't need for your dorm, but you need in your backpack. Get yourself a backpack like this, but not this one. This one's mine and I like it a lot. A water bottle. Get yourself, it's upside down. And get yourself a planner like this because clearly I am super busy. Like, just so busy that like I need to write down everything that I'm gonna do because I'm just such a busy girl. Okay, anyway. So really all you need for class is a notebook, a pen, and a highlighter. For studying, that's a whole different case scenario. This video is mainly about stuff to keep in your dorm. If you want to know more about what to keep in your backpack or what to keep you on track to study, check out my blog. It's cool, it's nice, I work hard on it, so I'd really appreciate if you guys check it out. Now I'm gonna go into things that you never thought that you would need, but you need for college. Random shit like your bank information. Oh yeah, and if your dorm doesn't have a safe in it, buy one. It's worth it. You never know what's gonna happen. To keep your jewelry, to keep your bank information, like I just said, passports, paperwork, money, anything valuable to you, you keep in there. Also, if you're sleeping with a roommate, I'd recommend getting one of these. Not for anything kinky. Okay, now stuff that you have in your households that you probably don't even think about, you still need. There's still use to them. You need batteries, fan, one of those little ones, especially if you're rushing, probably. A flashlight, power goes out, might as well have one. Safety pins always go good with clothes. Umbrella, lint roller. Make sure to have some snacks on board. I, in my room, have a cabinet dedicated to snacks just because I love them so much. I am a stress study eater. That's not a good thing, but I just always make sure I have snacks in my room. I don't know if your dorm has a vacuum cleaner, like a community one, but if you don't, talk to your roommate to see if you guys could buy one, as well as just other stuff that both of you guys need. You should talk about sharing whatever items. Okay, now I don't know how many of you guys do your own laundry. Now for people who do your own laundry, you need detergents, fabric softener, hangers, maybe a drying rack. I know I have one, an iron. And if you're not doing your own laundry, you're probably using the college service that picks up your clothes and does your laundry for you. Extra stuff you may need is just stuff to make you feel at home. This is kind of a setup in my room right now, but this is how I plan on doing my room. So we got my calendar that's falling off a little bit here. This is when I get back to school. I got pictures of me and my friends right here. And I honestly don't know why I have this here, but I think it looks kind of cool. But yeah, just bring things that you know you're gonna use or it makes you feel at home. Because your dorm is your new home. You're gonna be there for a whole another year, so just make yourself comfortable. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and follow my Insta. I really hope this video helped you because I know it would have helped me my first year. Stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you guys have a really awesome first year, or second year, third year. This is my second year. Good luck on your first year.